case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1979, the Supreme Court of the United States heard the case of Illinois State Board of Elections versus Socialist Workers' Party, which centered around the question of whether certain election requirements violated the Equal Protection Clause of the 14th Amendment. The case was prompted by Illinois' election code, which required new political parties and independent candidates to gather a specific number of qualified voter signatures in order to be included on the ballot for statewide and political subdivision elections. The Supreme Court found that the signature requirements for new parties and independent candidates in Chicago were not the least restrictive means of serving the state's objectives and thus violated the Equal Protection Clause. In his majority opinion, Justice Marshall highlighted an unfair discrepancy in the signature requirements for political subdivision elections compared to statewide ones, which led to a significant difference in the number of signatures needed for new parties or independent candidates in Chicago. This issue was brought to light in the context of a special mayoral election in January 1977, which prompted the Chicago Board and State Board to agree on reducing the signature requirement for new parties to match that of independent candidates. In their decision, the court emphasized the crucial role of third parties in the political process and the importance of election campaigns in spreading ideas. Ultimately, the case was dismissed as moot because there was not enough evidence to show that unauthorized actions by the Chicago Board would be repeated in future elections.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.